Let's talk about this and that. The words this and that can be used as demonstrative pronouns. For example, this is mine. Or as a demonstrative adjective. For example, this book is mine. Let's look at an example using baseball caps. This cap is red. That cap is red. In this example, both statements are correct. Both words, this and that, are used to refer to one item only. Both words refer to the singular rather than the plural. Both words can be used for items that are nearby or within sight. Now, let's talk about these and those. The words these and those can be used as demonstrative pronouns. For example, these are mine, or as demonstrative adjectives. For example, these books are mine. Again, let's take the baseball caps example. These caps are blue. Those caps are red. According to the images in the diagram, both statements are true. Both words these and those are used to refer to more than one item. Both words refer to the plural rather than the singular. These items refer to items that are nearby. Those items refer to items that are further away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.